Welcome to Pro Stock Tracker. Today, we'll be exploring the Performance Report, one of our most powerful tools for analyzing your investments. In this video, we'll dive into this comprehensive tool designed to give you an in-depth analysis of your portfolio's performance over any time frame. We'll start by exploring the 5 tabs at the top of the report, which summarize key aspects of your investment results. Currency. The currency in which your portfolio is denominated. Portfolio value. The total value of your portfolio at the end of the selected period. Monetary return. Your total monetary gains or losses over the selected period. Annualized return. Your compounded annualized return percentage over the selected period. Cumulative return. Your total return percentage over the selected period. You can apply filters, such as choosing a specific date range from our preset options, or by entering a custom start and end date. You can then select Total Investments to view the performance of all shares held in the portfolio during the selected period, including sold shares, or Active Investments to see the performance of only those shares held at the end date, excluding sold shares. You can group your holdings by market, country, currency, sector, industry, asset class, or choose Ungrouped for a single list. Next, choose how you want to view the percentage gains for your returns. Select Annualized Return to see the compounded annualized percentage, or Cumulative Return to see the total percentage over the period. Note that this selection does not affect monetary gain figures. Lastly, you can download the report data for your holdings or groups as a CSV file. Now, let's look at the chart, an interactive visualization depicting your portfolio's value or return over time. Click on a specific group below the chart to display the investment metrics, return or value, for that group alone. Below the chart, you'll find the Portfolio Performance Overview section, which provides a detailed breakdown of your portfolio's total return divided into capital gains, dividend gains, currency gains, and the overall total return. You can view the performance in both monetary and percentage terms. Next is the Performance Table, grouped according to your selected criteria. You can toggle between viewing monetary or percentage gains for your returns. The detailed table displays individual groups and holdings, showing each holding's price, quantity, and value in your portfolio's currency as of the end date. It also breaks down capital gains, dividend gains, currency gains, and total return for each group and holding. You can sort the table by clicking on any column header. Keep an eye out for the message icon that may appear next to some holding names. This indicates that there are new automatic corporate actions for that holding, such as dividends, splits, or reverse splits, that need your attention. Hovering over the icon will reveal the number of unconfirmed transactions. Simply click on the holding name to be taken to that holding's individual page, where you can review and confirm these actions, as well as see a complete history of all transactions for that specific holding. That concludes our overview of the Performance Report. Now you can track your investment success and make informed decisions with Pro Stock Tracker.